My life wasn't alive. At some point, I think I gave up searching for something real.
We're still telling the same stories we've always told, just with different names, different faces.
I felt either I'm having a mental breakdown again, or I'm living inside a computer-generated reality that has imprisoned me again.
Do you know this is a modal?
What's a modal?
It's a simulation used to evolve programs.
I saw this pattern, and it was everywhere. We can't see it, but we're all trapped inside these strange repeating loops. Somehow I saw it in the mirror. Just a flicker, but it was like you said.
Unlock my mind.
Suddenly I understood.
This is not the real world.